Are you web traveler? I got Goddess part 1 and part 2. I'm doing both in one video because I don't know how many cards are in there. Remember guys, do not swallow small parts. Holy shit, those are a lot of cards. I'm very curious to see how they look. Oh my god. Holy shit. First of all, the nudity of those is on top of the charts. Second of all, holy shit, this shine is so nice. I just want to lick it. But the box says no swallowing. So I don't know how these two things are connected, but let's move on. Very cool Nezuko. Alright, we have Bulma. Holy shit, that's Bulma with some Bulmas. We have Barbara from Genshin Impact. Man, this shine is so awesome. I'm in love. Got a story. Take notes. Take notes. By the way, I just saw their rarities. I got two SSRs and one ultra rare. Now I'm getting an SR. I don't know if I don't fucking understand how this works, but holy shit, that's some sexy power. Boy. Okay, we have a Fubuki from One Punch Man. Awesome. Damn man, I have no words. I don't know who you are, but even you look awesome. Damn. Damn son, Hatsune Miku. Oh my god, should we do the biggest booba? But there are already so many. It's insane. And then we can see which box has the biggest booba between the boxes. I'm gonna try, and then I'm gonna probably drop it, because I think this idea would suck, but we'll see. I think those are quite large, but not the largest that we've seen. Alright. Man, whoa! I'm in love. With this box. Nami ultra rare, holy shit! What kind of freaking fruit did you eat? Holy shit, man. Also another ultra rare, okay, Kashima. Hey Jojo, what's up? Do you want to see some boobs? Jojo, do you want to see it? Come here. Come here. Yeah, look at the waifus. Look at the boobas, man. Ah man, he just passed right through it. Why don't you want to look at the boobas? I thought I raised you like a true man. Oh, we need to find someone with the cat ears. That's the thing. Yeah. Cool, alright. Maybe he felt that there's some cat energy in here, so that's why he came. But after seeing these cards, I'm also gonna come. Oh, damn. These boob physics are very weird, but I love them. Jojo, yo! Jojo, my man, come here! Wait. Jojo! I got the bitch slap. He didn't like to be picked up. Yo, Jojo, look at this. Oh, please, man, don't damage the cards. Just only, yo. Jojo, look at this. No, don't lick the phone. Look, it's for you. He didn't approve. I guess he's not into blondes. But it was perfect. She has even the same freaking tail that he got, only with less fur. Jojo has a very furry tail. Alright, sorry Taiga, he didn't pick you. What do you mean? I don't know if there will be there bigger boobas. I know, and I will search for you, okay? Cat lady with bigger boobs. But I can't promise you that will be done, okay? I don't think he liked the idea, but okay. Ishitar, cool. Also pretty large contestant, but Jean from Genshin Impact, very nice. A lot of clothes on this one. We have Mai Shiranui. Looks different than the rest. I don't know who that is. I think she can contest. Mitsuri would technically have bigger boobas than Shinobu, but not on this art. Kitagawa Marin, very cute, very nice. Alright. We have Nahida. Don't know. Alright. Sheesh. Those are quite large. Holy shit, boy. Jojo, still no luck, I'm sorry. Ooh, she's ripped off, man. Cool. If only she would have cat ears. That would be a perfect fit for Jojo, I think. Yeah, I almost was happy for Jojo. I mean, for me, I'm happy. That's a cool card. I love it. All right. Okay, small cute girls. Small cute girls. All right. Not small, very sexy girls. Let's go. Alright. Hey, Yamato from One Piece. Let's go. Yo, Dark Magician Girl. Holy shit. What the fuck? Yo, that shine is so epic. Mona also, I love your change of clothes. We have another Chikoruni that looks like Ishitar card that we've seen. Hey, some Pokemon action there. Cool. Cynthia with large boobas. Peach with large peaches. Alright, cool. Damn, Bowsette, holy shit. Rosalina, awesome. Rias Grammarly, let's go. We got all the babes. Belfast, I don't fucking know who you are, but you look legit. Alright. Okay. Huh. Shit, man. Okay. Ooh, Nico Robin, nice. Nice. Fancy. How about some Fate characters? You forgot about those? Genshin Impact again, very cool. Oh god. Oh! There we go! Fate characters! That angle mesh, holy shit! Okay. And who I don't fucking know who are you, but alright, also good angle. We are continuing with good angles. I think that's Fate, probably. I don't know. Whoa, we have sexy Mona and a cute Mona. I love that. I love that. I think we almost through the... Hey, Akino, yes. Good. I thought you only included Rias. Like, what the fuck? And that was the last card of this box. Holy shit. Let me take a quick look at the contestant for Big Booba. There's only 3 of them that are really like ultra large. And all of them are ultra rare. How convenient. I think Lucy has bigger boobs than Nami. But does Lucy have bigger boobs than Bowsette? She's pulling her bikini up, so it looks more like stuffed up, right? I don't know why. It feels so weird using these words. She doesn't do that. They're in their natural, relaxed state, and they look almost as big or even a little bigger than those. So I think Bowsette is the winner of the first box of the Big Booba. So let's open Goddess Part 2 and see what this box brings us. Alright, so already we've seen some changes. We get a new rarity, which is SP. And it's a double card, 2 girls from Genshin Impact. Very cool. Is there a difference on the back? No. Okay, it doesn't matter. The front, it always matters. Thank you for prioritizing the front instead of the back. Because I've opened the boxes with like very cool back sides, but the front was shit. Like, come on, man. It's all about the front. Nice back is appreciated, but it's not necessary. Okay, so the first 3 card was SP. Now we're going to Ultra Rare, Barbara. So probably this box already goes from high rarity to least high rarity, which was not the case with the first box, but that's alright. Okay. It's probably some popular shit, like I don't know, Honkai or Azure Lane or something like that. I don't know my shit. I'm sorry. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Okay, the shine is beautiful. They done it a little different. Oh, holy shit! We have our first Big Booba contestant, I think. Alright, Ganyu, sure. She has large ones, but trust me, I expect more from this box. Alright, Hu Tao, AI art, because look at here. There's a lot of going on here. There. That's we are already at SSR, by the way. Alright, cool. Hey, we got another Mona. I love that. Cute. We have Nilo. I think that's also Genshin. Damn. Okay. T-Shine. I love it. Alright. A lot of characters that I don't know from this one. You can already see that my energy is going a little bit down. Okay. We have an SP again. Holy shit. That's a battle I want to see. God damn, look at that. Okay, interesting. The Fair Lady. I don't know if that's the original character or not, but it sounds like it. Okay. Still going strong with SP. I would like freaking like Fate SP card. Because, you know, reasons. Alright. I love some change from a booba to a sexy back and a little bit of ass. That's nice. Jojo, does the bunny ears count? He's not responding, so I don't think that counts. Okay. So, we're still searching for a cat-eared lady with big boobas. Why didn't he accept the very beautiful taiga at the beginning of the video? Alright, Lisa from Genshin Impact. Oops, sorry, Genshin Impact again. Ooh, that's some quite nice detail there. Holy shit. Damn. Alright. I have a lot of problems centering this. I don't know why. It's just I want him so close at my face. Like, I want to... you know. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, cute Ember. Please focus. Like, what the fuck? Thank you. Alright. Large. Ooh, cool. Nice angle. Cute. Hey, you again. Alright, back to back. Oh, again you. Holy shit, I love these dresses, man. They're almost see-through. YouTube almost. I said almost. A lot of Genshin Impact in this one. The first one was more diverse with the characters, which I liked more. This one has a lot of Genshin Impact, if not only Genshin Impact, by the way. I didn't even realize if that's only the Genshin Impact. By the way, cat ears, kind of? I don't know. Yeah, that's cat ears. I don't know if it's large enough. I'm gonna put it here. I'm gonna ask Jojo at the end of this video. Alright. Okay. So, we almost through this. We through this. I think I like the first box more. I think they're all almost the same. So, and if you compare our winners of the biggest boobas, I mean, obviously Bowser. And by the way, the first box had way more boobas than this one. I'm gonna show Jojo Kirara. He sniffed her, but he didn't like her. So, we failed Jojo today, fellow web travelers. Jojo didn't approve any waifus. So, what we need is more cat-eared waifus with large boobas. Get on that. Okay, thank you for watching, guys, and we'll see you in another one, web traveler.